Yeah, I like this a lot.
Yeah.
What? I need shopping bags.
So this is my beautiful client with her braid down, and then we're gonna apply the black wig cap. I like to use the black cap because her hair is dark. I see a lot of people using the nude cap, but not doing it over here. So I'm gonna apply the protectant everywhere that her braids are. So I'm applying it around her hairline and everything. I do not like to glue around the hairline. Sometimes I will stitch it, but in this case, I am just applying the protectant. After I apply the protectant, I sit her under the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now she's all dry. As you can see, I cut the excess cap off, and now we're going to glue on the wefts. So we're just gluing, we're cutting, we're measuring, and we're gluing. And yeah, we're gonna press it in with our thumbs, make sure it's on there nice and secure. I sometimes like to blow dry it in between when I feel like it's not holding on good, but yeah, just glue on the wefts. And as you can see, I went around her head, and now I'm just gluing on the last couple of pieces. Now that we're all glued in, we're going to press out her leave out. So I like to do the base with a hot comb and then go in with my flat iron to make sure it's nice, silky, and straight. So because my girl has fine texture, I'm using a temporary spray in between her part just to make sure you cannot see her wefts. After her hair is straightened, we want to prepare for the cut. So I like to section her hair out in 3 parts. Once her hair is all sectioned out, then I get my clippers and start cutting to the desired length. And I just keep cutting until we both agree, like, yes, this is a good length, yes, it's straight, and do I want it longer on one side, or what is the case? So I'm just cutting, making sure it is nice, straight, and even. After you have your desired cut, go ahead and start curling the edges because we're about to slick these things up. This is literally my favorite part. I love baby hairs. Like, just watch how we swoop them. I'm going to use my hairspray and just dry it with a blow dryer. This really takes about 5 to 10 minutes sometimes because it has to be perfect, guys, and nice and neat. It cannot be all clumpy and all that. Like, it has to look nice and neat. Just take your time. Now, my girl looked good with this hair straight. I'm not gonna lie, but we had to add a little razzle dazzle to it. Now that the baby hairs are done, it's time to start styling. I make sure it's nice and flat with my hot comb, and then I am flipping the ends. I think this is my 1.5 inch curling iron from T3. I'll link the flat irons and all the materials and stuff that I used down below. So with this front piece, you're gonna do like a curl with the curling iron straight up in the air. So you're not necessarily doing a flip, you're doing like a curl that's more vertical. I hope I'm explaining this right. I'm just touching up the flips, and I pinned that curl part. And voila, we have it. My girl looks so good. Like, yes. Look at that. Look at that bounce. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos.